I welcome you once again to this channel, Owen Graphics, and in case of any gigs, please check my link for FIVERR in my description of this video. So first we create a workspace, and then we are going to paste the image of the banana that we are going to use. Yeah, so this is the image. Increase the size to make sure it is going to fit so well. You know that the words that we shall put are going to fit there. Next, after that, we are going to select the horizontal text tool and type the word banana. In here, I'm using Montserrat's font, and it is not in italics. It is favorable to put it in black, as you're going to see as we design. After that, you can expand it and try to see that it is fitting on the banana. Next, what you want to do is click on the layers, go to the banana text, and then convert to smart object. After converting to smart object, you want to click on it and click warp. On that, we want to change the size of the banana word to fit the dimensions of the banana. You can do it at the corners and also in the middle until it fits. Try to do it and be patient with it until you get the right position. Also, I would like to request you to subscribe to this channel so that you could motivate our team to keep on posting such content that is educational. Next, after that, we click on our layers, and then still on the banana layer, select the pixels. After selecting pixels, you click the vector mask. Sorry about that, I've redone it. And then you click on the banana layer, then you click the layer mask, and then you can hide the text of the banana. So after that, go to the brush tool, make sure white is on the foreground and black is on the back, and then come on the layer of the banana that was masked, and then keep on scrubbing. There, I'm increasing the size of the brush, and just to make it quicker. Yes, as you can see it. Yeah. Okay, you can now integrate this in your designs and at all times, and trust me, it's going to be a great video. Thank you.